Hello everyone, this is Chef Alex. You're at the beautiful property of Club Mahindra, Assonora. Today I'm going to show you one of the simplest dish, which is from Goa, but there's no coconut involved. So first we'll take all the green ingredients. We have some green chillies from our own garden. We got some nice fresh coriander, mint. So the main reason why chicken Cafreal is green in color is because of these herbs. Now we'll put cinnamon, pepper, cardamom, coriander, garlic and a small piece of ginger. All this have to be grinded into a smooth paste. We can use chicken legs or chicken breast for making Cafreal. Today I have taken a nice piece of fresh chicken breast. We can also make this with fish or mutton. On the chicken we need to put some gashes so that the marination goes through the meat. Now we're going to put the masala on the chicken and marinate it for 24 hours and leave it in the fridge. So once the pan is hot, put the chicken into the pan and cook it for 10 to 12 minutes. Once the chicken is cooked, flip it and cook on the other side as well till it is nice and golden brown in color. Goan chicken Cafreal is a great starter. This recipe is a simple recipe which can be enjoyed with your friends and family at home.